Backup first. This process erases everything. Here are the 3 safest ways to reset Windows. Step 1. If Windows still loads, click on Start, type in Reset, click on Reset this PC, left click on Remove Everything. And actually, if you want to do it from a USB stick or a local reinstall or a cloud install, if you've got internet access, run it from the cloud, you'll get the latest version. If you've got a USB stick, just plug that in and click on local reinstall. We'll do it from the cloud version. Click Next, and your PC should start to reset itself. Step 2, if you can only reach the login screen, this is how you reset it. Just come down here to the bottom right hand corner, click on your little logo down here, hold down the Shift key, don't let go, and then left click Restart. Restart anyway. Your machine will reboot. You should see this option, just remove my files. If you're keeping the PC, this is a good option. If you're selling it onto a third party, highly recommend doing the clean option. So in this case, we're just going to keep the computer, just remove my files. I'll speed this up for you so you don't have to sit through this bit. Finally, one final warning. Are you sure? Once you press reset, there's no return. Hit reset, and that's downloading the latest version of Windows. Windows will now reinstall itself automatically, so skip ahead to step 3 if your PC won't start at all and it's completely dead. Drop a comment, hit the like and subscribe. It's free and it really helps us grow. Step 3, if it's totally dead. If Windows won't start at all, you need to boot from the USB installer. If you don't already have one, I'll link a tutorial at the end to help you out. Once you've got your stick, plug it in. As you can see on screen, I've listed all the boot keys. If yours isn't listed above, just go to Google, type in your laptop model plus the boot key. You better easily find it. Restart your PC with the USB plugged in. Press the boot key, keep repeatedly pressing it. You should see this menu that's on screen. Use your arrow keys to find a USB storage device. Press Enter. Start the Windows recovery process. Once you see this screen, just click Next. Next again. Repair my PC. Click Next. Choose your language or your keyboard layout. Troubleshoot. Then reset this PC. Remove everything. Local reinstall. Reset. Press Enter. Clean the drive fully and follow the prompts. Windows reinstalls completely and reboots the setup till the desktop appears. That's it. It's fully reset from factory USB. Fresh system, no leftovers, no errors. If you still need to make a USB installer, watch the video link at the end. It walks you through it step by step. Once that's ready, come back here to finish the reset. I'll see you there.